by this time next year, the futures market and prop firms all around the world are going to be like, JD, we know what you did last summer. You built Gideon, NinjaTrader native strategy that functions as an execution engine. So it has my IoTS protocol built in with auction market theory and price action, doing all of the analyzing for you, pulling the trigger for you, and exiting for your prop firm goals to try to pass a challenge. Man, this thing is nice. Take a look. So all you have to do is put the strategy on, because like I said, it's a native strategy. So pull up a chart. This happens to be a trade day funded account here. So, and I'm trading micros. So go to strategies. I think I already had it set up. Yep, trade day. It was 50K. I choose pro funded because I'm already out of the evaluation stage. In this case, I want to enforce a daily profit goal and leave it open because, hey, I can catch a runner now, right? Why, let's get the money. And but I still can put a target in and a risk. I could choose to run it, at 9:30 open, or right now. Let's just go right now. I already got my numbers enter in, my value area high, my area low. Those are key entry levels. All right, here's the funded account. I hit enable, apply. Boom, we're off to the races. Got the trade day 50K, and Gideon is gonna start trading from there. All right, so now, how has he been doing? Let's go take a look. All right, so on the performance right now, we're up 16,000, win rate of 63%. And this is on all the accounts that we've had. And man, we just had a weird losing streak. So that number was a lot higher just a day ago. But hey, that's trading, right? But we've seen him pass many challenges. That account right there was from, that trade day account is from a challenge that Gideon passed, that funded account. So right now we're still up, and the beauty of this is that I am the coder of Gideon, and so we continue to make improvements. We are on version 5 right now, so this is GV5. So this 63 win rate is all those versions that we've worked on and improved on, and so the thing has been winning since day one. We just have been making those proper tweaks to get it, to where we really want it to be. What you may have not known is that we've been running a beta testing for Gideon all summer long, and so what we've been doing is running a live feed. So many people have been watching Gideon take our price action trades from our key entry levels, and so that's been happening on GideonLive.com if you don't know. And right here we've been running a live feed, and we're currently waiting to see if we can get a good trade going today. Nothing so far. But we'll see. But that's a live feed that we have going, where people have been able to see, Gideon trade and seeing, some of those great wins that we have had. Also, for people who have had Gideon Live, and Gideon Live is going to be the companion application for Prop Firm Gideon and the Gideon products, and so this is going to come with the membership for people who have Prop Firm Gideon. So you also get those daily key entry levels, because you need those levels. If you don't know, just having those levels alone, I've always called them key entry points, just having those alone, you can create an auction market theory that just put you ahead of the competition if you don't know. So these is just things you have to have. You need this data. We get it from the volume profile tool. Okay. But that's also in Gideon Live, and then we have executions up here. So people who have been in the beta test, then when Gideon takes a trade, they also get executions come through. So you can see when you take a trade, and this week I just added in email notifications. So in the app, inside of executions, you see that he just took we just took a long or whatever, on that account, and then now you'll get an email to say, hey, he took a breakout pullback long or second entry short. So that'd be nice too. Then now that email will be in there also. And then we have a chat that's been in Gideon Live this whole time. for all our members, we've been, discussing things. We have a newsletter, a download section for Gideon Live, and a place to, upload machine IDs to activate your Gideon Live, your prop firm. So Gideon Live, that's what it said, GideonLive.com. That is the, companion app to Prop Firm Gideon. And so what's happening is this: if you don't know, some of you may not know. All right, we've been doing this beta testing, like I say, all summer, but that's coming to an end September 1st, and then we're doing the official launch of Prop Firm Gideon. That's going to be a software as a service product, and so you'll be able to do a subscription for $500 a month. That'll give you access to Prop Firm Gideon, Gideon Live, everything I just discussed, and you'll be out there. But the thing is, I am a one-man machine here, okay? I'm a trader first, all right? And so I have to trade, and now I'm programming, and I can only support so many people. That's why I just can't keep selling Prop Firm Gideon. And my community, we band together, and we decided that we want to keep this more private than public. So I wanted to offer it to the public for a short period, but that period will be over September 1st, and then we're only going to go with 300 people. We have 258 spots left, because I can support 300 people. I can give them the proper service, customer service, trading service, tips, tricks, all the stuff. 300, that would be no problem for me to handle, but more than that, So get on the list to take the launch by September 1st, or you can you got 10 days to purchase Prop Firm Gideon for $12.50, a lifetime membership with the lifetime updates. I got your back on that. So whichever way you can do, I would just get Gideon. It's going to be a special tool for traders. He is a tool, okay? He is a tool. He's the greatest tool ever, but he's still just a tool. Just like you still have to be a trader. I'm going to end a weird video. I'm going to end the video with this. Like, hey, but this truth is truth. I love the truth. I had a list of losses yesterday. Man, it might have been 4 losses in a row, because it was 4. I had 4 accounts, and I had one main account, and then a lot of losses happened, right? Let me tell you why they happened. It was like 3:30. Like, we had some good wins. Like, I had a win, and it was a comeback day. Matter of fact, I was down. I came back. I was only down like $25 on the day. I was thinking to myself, like, man, it's 3:30. The market only got like an hour and a half left. I should just cut it off, But I was finna make a run. I was like, never. I just took off, let it still run. Boom, took a trade, lost. So now, all them losses just popped up there. If I had to just cut them off, the day was done. So you still have to. The point of that is, Prop Firm Gideon is a tool, but you still have to be a trader. All right. Now you're more of a manager, right? You're not a trader anymore. You're you're gonna be a software manager. It's a little different, but it's much more fun. Trust me on that. So hey, you got 10 days, 14 hours, and 28 minutes to just get in. Or if not, hey, enjoy the launch. Be there. Be one of the 300 that we take to the next level. All right. So until next time, my name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sudden. Just get Gideon. So Prop Firm Gideon is up $12.50 in this trade. We are out of risk. We are running Prop Firm Gideon version 5. We love to call it GB5. We're up $1,300 now. And so we just gonna let this thing ride. Our target is here, people, 77.33. We caught the bottom of a range. EMA, fade, long. We caught it. It's working. We're at 1,400 now, and the target's way up here. I can't stand here to... We can't stand here all day, but you see what could happen. We could just take the money right now if we wanted to, all right? So, hey, this GV5 is where it's at. We're going to see if we get this target today, hey. Just get Gideon.
Easy money.